Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Unlock Daily, the place where we unlock your English potential every single day. I'm Alex.
And I'm Chloe. We are so happy to have you here with us today. How are you doing, Alex?
I'm feeling fantastic, Chloe. The sun is shining, I have my coffee, and I'm ready to talk. How about you?
I'm great. I'm a bit excited because today's topic is something everyone needs. It's a must-know topic.
Oh, I agree. But before we dive in, we have a small request for our lovely listeners.
That's right. If you want to improve your English every day, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the like button if you find our lessons helpful.
Also, please share this podcast with your friends, your brother, your sister, or even your colleagues. Let's build a big community of English learners together.
Exactly. Your support helps us create more free lessons for everyone. Now, Alex, what is the key we are unlocking today?
Today, we are answering the most common question in the world. Tell me about yourself.
High value. This is important for job interviews, the first day of school, or just making new friends. By the end of this episode, you will have a simple map to talk about yourself confidently.
So, Chloe, many people get nervous when they hear, "Tell me about yourself." They don't know where to start.
I know. My advice is start simple. Start with your name and where you are from. Alex, why don't you go first? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Alex, I'm 30 years old, and I'm originally from London, in the UK.
London, the big city. Do you miss it?
Sometimes, but now I live in a quiet town in Spain. It's very different. What about you, Chloe?
Well, my name is Chloe. I'm 26. I'm from Sydney, Australia, but currently I live in an apartment in New York City.
Wow, New York. That's a big jump from Sydney. Is your apartment big?
Oh no. In New York, apartments are very small and very expensive, but I have a great view of the park. It's noisy, but I love the energy.
I understand. I live in a small house with a garden. I prefer the birds singing to the cars honking.
Fair enough. So, listeners, that's step 1. Name, age, and location. Very easy, right?
Now, let's move to step 2. What do you do? This means your job or your studies.
Right. I'll start this time. I am a graphic designer. I create logos and websites. I love my job because I love colors and creativity. What about you, Alex?
Most people know I'm a teacher here, but I also work as a freelance writer. I write articles about travel and culture.
A writer and a teacher. You must read a lot of books.
I do. It's part of the job. Now, how about family? When we meet new people, sometimes we talk about our brothers or sisters.
Good idea. I have a large family. I have 2 older brothers. They are very protective of me.
2 older brothers. You must be the baby of the family.
Yes, I am. My parents are retired now, but my mother used to be a nurse, and my father was a pilot. He traveled a lot.
That's amazing. I have a small family, just me and my younger sister, Lily. She's a nurse, just like your mom. She works in a big hospital in London.
Nurses are heroes. That's a tough job.
It is. Okay, so we have job and family. Let's talk about something more fun. Pets.
Oh, I love this part. I am a cat person. I have a white cat named Cloud. She is very lazy and sleeps on my laptop when I try to work.
Typical cat. I am definitely a dog person. I have a golden retriever named Buddy. He is my best friend. We go running together every morning at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? You are very disciplined, Alex. Cloud and I are still sleeping at 6 a.m.
Every dog owner knows dogs are the best alarm clocks. Now, let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun, Chloe?
Besides sleeping, I love photography. On weekends, I take my camera and walk around New York. I love capturing people's faces and the street art.
That sounds wonderful. My hobby is cooking. I'm not a professional, but I love trying new recipes. Last night I made a spicy Thai curry.
Was it good?
It was delicious. My favorite food is definitely anything spicy. I love chili, peppers, everything hot.
Ooh, we are different again. I don't like spicy food at all. My favorite food is Italian, especially pasta with lots of cheese.
Cheese makes everything better. What about colors? Do you have a favorite color?
As a designer, I love all colors, but if I have to choose, I'll pick yellow. It's the color of happiness and sunshine.
Nice choice. Mine is dark blue. It's calm and professional.
Very writer-like of you, Alex.
You know, when we describe ourselves, it's also interesting to mention what we don't like. It shows your true personality.
True. For example, I really dislike cold weather. That's why I miss Sydney sometimes. I hate wearing 5 layers of clothes.
I agree. I don't like waiting. Waiting for the bus, waiting in line at the supermarket, it feels like a waste of time.
And what about food? Is there any food you hate?
I really don't like mushrooms. The texture is strange to me.
More mushrooms for me, then. I don't like soda or sugary drinks. I prefer plain water or herbal tea.
You are very healthy, Chloe. No wonder you have so much energy for the podcast.
Okay, Alex, let's pause for a second. We used some good words today. Let's explain them to our listeners.
Good idea. First, I used the word originally. I said I'm originally from London. This means London is my first home, the place where I was born, even if I live somewhere else now.
Right. And I used the word currently. I said I currently live in New York. This means now or at the present time.
I also said I'm a freelance writer. Freelance means you don't work for one company. You work for yourself and have many different clients.
And don't forget the terms cat person and dog person. We use these to say which animal we prefer. I'm a cat person. Alex is a dog person.
One more. Texture. I said I don't like the texture of mushrooms. Texture is how something feels in your mouth or your hands. For example, soft, hard, or slimy.
Great. These words will make your tell me about yourself answer much more interesting.
Well, Chloe, I think we've covered everything. We talked about names, jobs, families, pets, hobbies, and even things we don't like.
Yes. Remember, everyone, you don't have to say everything at once. If you are at a job interview, talk about your job and skills.
Exactly. Keep it simple, keep it friendly, and don't forget to smile.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Yes, please go to the comments section below and introduce yourself. Tell us your name, where you are from, and one thing you love.
For example, my name is Lam, I'm from Vietnam, and I love drinking milk tea. We will read every single comment.
And before you go, if you haven't already, please subscribe to English Unlock Daily. Like this video and share it with your family. Your support means the world to us.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep unlocking your English, and we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.